did you know we might experience far more housebreaks this festive season than we ever did in the last 20 years. Here's why. According to the report published this year by the South African Police Service, which we sometimes refer to as SAPS and Stats SA, it shows a rise in criminal activity. This is because of the lockdown that happened earlier this year. It is estimated that crime will continue to increase and hit its highest peak in December this festive season. This means you need to be more vigilant in ensuring the safety of your business, your home, and loved ones. I would like to share with you 3 things you need to do that can help keep your home and business safe while you are away during the festive season. This will ensure you enjoy the festive season without being worried about the safety of your home and business. Number 1, ask a neighbor or friend to check on the house frequently. The best thing to do is to ask a trusted neighbor or friend to check on your home frequently. They can update you regularly. This will ensure you have peace of mind knowing your home is safe. You will enjoy your holiday knowing someone you trust is watching over your home. Number 2, update your armed response company that you are going on holiday. You need to update your armed response company that you'll be on holiday. They will respond quickly because they know you are not home. This will ensure you have peace of mind knowing your home is safe because professionals are watching over your home. Number 3, install a wireless security camera. What can give you even greater peace of mind is being able to watch your home regularly through an IP camera. An IP camera works with the mobile app that works on any Android or iOS enabled smartphone or tablet. That means if you have internet access, you can watch your home anytime from anywhere. It can detect motion and immediately alert you on your phone so that you can watch or verify if there's real danger. If there's a real concern, you can then call your trusted friend or armed response company to come and assist. It is like having a trusted friend watch over your home 24/7. In conclusion, nothing will give you more peace of mind than knowing that your trusted neighbor or friend is watching your home while you are on holiday. In most instances, it is difficult to find someone you trust who can look after your home. That is why sometimes it might not be possible. The other option is to ask your armed response company to watch over your home. Unfortunately, there have been countless instances when an armed response company was late to respond or did not even respond. This can cost you a lot of money because criminals move very fast. The best solution is to use an IP camera, and if there's a problem, call your trusted friend and armed response company to assist. If you would love to see our recommended IP camera, please click the link. I've left the link for you in the description so that you can learn more about this amazing IP camera. This is what you're going to learn when you click on the link. You're going to learn how this amazing camera can work 24/7. Come rain or heat, it still works, ensuring your home is safe, giving you priceless peace of mind. You're going to learn how this amazing camera will help you see your home super clear with amazing detail and depth of beautiful color that you will feel like you are there in person watching everything. You're going to learn how this amazing camera has no blind spots. What are blind spots? Blind spots are places that someone can hide where the camera cannot see them. This camera has no blind spot. It can see everything everywhere. You are going to learn how this amazing camera can see in full color even when it is in a completely dark room. It uses a magical technology that is nothing short of a miracle. You are going to learn how this amazing camera requires no complicated setup. Only give it power and use your smartphone to set it up. You are going to learn how this amazing camera can make you magically appear in your house and scare the daylights out of the criminals when they hear your voice so clearly that they think you are there. You are going to learn how this amazing camera makes it possible for you to hear everything that is happening in your house super clear, and you can even forget that you are far away from your house. You're going to learn how this amazing camera ensures that your playbacks are stored securely encrypted in the cloud where the criminals have no access even if they steal the camera. And you're going to learn much more. So what I need you to do is I need you to click the link so that you can check out this amazing IP camera, and this should give you amazing peace of mind knowing that you have a friend who can protect your home 24/7.